Hi students, here small information regarding your objective exam. Objective means, so they will give one question, you will be having 4 options, we have to take one of the option, that is called competitive or objective exam. So we are giving this week, so I am going to give dates and topics. First, so 18th. So 18th you will be having Maths and Biology. 21st you will be having Physics and Chemistry. So 18th means that is Wednesday. So 21st means that is Saturday. So Wednesday, Saturday you are getting language videos. So what is the exam timings? And what are the topic names and how to send the key and how to write the key I am going to give for you. So first I am giving syllabus. Syllabus means, so on this Maths and Biology, mathematics, they have given here trigonometric identities and trigonometric equations. Maths. So trigonometric identities and trigonometric equations. Next, biology. So biology will be having living world. So living world. Next, physics. So I think all these chapters which they have completed first chapter. Okay. So our physics, motion in a straight line. Motion in a straight line. Next, chemistry. So chemistry they gave here basic concepts of chemistry. Basic concepts of chemistry. So this is the syllabus for you. So Maths and Biology you will be writing on 18th Wednesday. Your exam timings, so 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. So 1 hour. So mathematics they will give 30 bits. Biology they will give 30 bits. Even physics also. So 30 bits, 30 bits. So 30 plus 30. 60 bits you are going to write within 60 minutes. 1 hour time. Okay. So you are going to practicing. So after practicing, you have to put the key. Only key you have to send. How to write the key? So you will be getting mathematics. Let us assume 1 to 30. Biology 31 to 60. Out of this 1 to 30, so 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, like that. So 31 to 40, 41 to 50, 51 to 60. So this is mathematics, this is biology. Okay, you have to write your name and combination PCMB or PCMCS. You have to write your name first because otherwise we don't know who sent the key. So your name and the college name and the combination you can write. So 1 to 10, how to write the key? So first question. So first question you got, they will give numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Second question 1, 2, 3, 4. Options. So like the first question answer is 2. Second question answer is 3. How to write the key means 2, 3. How many questions are? 2 questions are. First question answer 2. Second question answer 3. Next third question, fourth question. Third question answer is 1. Fourth question answer is. So you will be getting question numbers like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First question you will be having options 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So every question you will be having 4 options like this because we are writing first time. Therefore we are giving detailed for. So 1, 2, 3. So 10 questions I wrote here. So first 2 options I gave already 2, 3. Third question answer let us assume 3. So fourth question answer 2. Then we have to write key like this. 3, 2. Next fifth question answer 4. Sixth question answer also 4. Let us assume. Then 4, 4. So while writing, you didn't attempt 7th question. You attempted 8th question. 8th question answer is 3. Then how to write 7, 8 means 7th question you didn't attempt. Leave the space, otherwise keep into. So into means you didn't attempt. Into 8th question answer is 3. Next 9th question answer 1, 3. Therefore 1, 3. See how many bits over? 10 bits over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 you didn't attempt, therefore you wrote into. Otherwise leave space. Into only better. 3, then 10 questions over. Like that. 11 to 20 you can write like this. 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 3, 4, 4, 1. If you didn't attempt last one you can do. Okay. So 21 to 30. Same like this. 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1. So now mathematics over. So this mathematics key you have to send for, I will give number. Mathematics to whom you have to send, I will give WhatsApp number. You have to take one photo for this, your name, section, college name. You have to take mathematics key separately one photo and you have to send for particular number. Again, biology key, you have to take one photo, separately you have to send the key. In this, CS students might be there. So CS students, they have to send key within half an hour. Within half an hour means exam is starting by 9. So you are going to write only biology paper. Sorry, CS students will not write biology. CS students will write only mathematics. At the time you have to finish your exam within 30 minutes. 9 to 9:30. This is only for CS students. Okay. So before what time you have to send the key? To whom you have to send the key? I will give the numbers. Okay. So mathematics. You have to send the number 93805 13008. 93805 13008. So this number we have to send 93805 13008. For this WhatsApp number we have to send before. So who are writing both mathematics and biology, they have to send before 10:15 AM. Means we are giving time for you, grace time 15 minutes. How you will be getting question paper means how you got the notes, like that they will send one link or message for you. You no need to worry. So they will give information for you how they are going to send the question paper. Okay. Next, biology. So biology you have to send for biology 973 985 9120. So 973 985 9120. Okay. So for this contact number you have to send the bio. Okay. If you have any doubts also you can call regarding syllabus and everything. So this is mathematics WhatsApp number. This is biology WhatsApp number. So who are writing both maths and bio, they have to send before 10:15. Who are writing only mathematics, they have to send before 9:40. So within 10 minutes you have to send. So your 9:30 your bio paper will be over. We have to send because CS students your mathematics paper will be over within half an hour. You have to send within 10 minutes 9:40. So what will happen if you send after this time? So we won't correct your paper. Okay. So within 15 minutes you have to send the answer key to the respective WhatsApp number. Next time, physics. So physics you have to send 809545 809545 411 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 8095454112. Next, chemistry. Chemistry you have to send for 955 5007. 955 So for physics and chemistry you have to send before 10:15 because everyone will write physics and chemistry. So before 10:15 only you have to send. Okay. So this answer key, which is correct answers, we will send on the day after 2 o'clock. Okay. So again question paper they are going to delete after 10 o'clock. They may delete because after 10 you cannot see. Even though question paper is with you, you have to send before 10:15 only. We are going to correct the WhatsApp from WhatsApp numbers we got before 10:15 only. We won't correct if we send after 10:15. And we are going to give the exact answer key. We will give with solutions. Solutions, which one you will get means some questions we may give from our material. Our material means you are going to take this type of volumes. So from these volumes we are discussing. This is only for reference. So we may not give all the bits from same material. We have to check your knowledge and spontaneous because in final exam we won't get the same bits or same models you may get, but same bits you won't get in competitive. So therefore we should follow this one very carefully. If you have any doubts, you can call regarding the syllabus for these numbers. Okay. So key you have to write like this: maths and biology I didn't write. You have to take the question number as being like this, 31 to 40. So in each line 10 bits will be there. You have to send who are writing both the exams, maths and bio. They have to send before 10:15. Who are writing only maths, because CS students will not write biology. They have to send before 9:40 because half an hour only time for it. This is only for practice. Okay. So this is the questions you will be getting like this with options. You have which is the correct option, you can take that one. So Wednesday and Saturday. This is first exam for you. So therefore we are giving all the information before only. So neatly you can follow the rule. Okay.